Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. On the 31st of January 2023, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Cabinet approved a working group for municipal council elections to be set up to prepare for a detailed action plan to conduct the municipal council elections. The Cabinet endorsed the working group to be chaired by the Permanent Secretary for Local Government and to include other key Permanent Secretaries, namely Finance, Solicitor General, the Acting Supervisor of Election, and Chief Executive Officers from all 13 municipal councils. Mr. Speaker, sir, the working group has been tasked with various responsibilities. And this includes recommending the most appropriate electoral system to be used for the municipal elections. At this stage, I'm unable to inform this August House as for which electoral system will be used, as I would be preempting the work of a working committee. Mr. Speaker, sir, the current electoral system set out under the Local Government Act of 1972 is a block vote method. In this method, each constituency or ward elects more than one representative, and voters can cast as many votes as there are available seats. The working group is in the process of carrying out reviews of the current legislation in place and holding consultations with the important stakeholders to identify the most appropriate electoral systems. Once finalized, they will table their recommendations to Cabinet, and thereafter will be able to provide an update to this August House. However, Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government will ensure that thorough awareness is carried out on whatever electoral system is identified for municipal council elections. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.